What exactly is this Bitcoin thing? Is it really the future of money? Or just another digital trend? Unlike the dollars in your wallet, Bitcoin can't be printed by a bank or a government. So, who creates it? The surprising answer is nobody. No company, no government, and no single person creates Bitcoin. Instead, thousands of computers around the world work together to keep Bitcoin running. This network is called the blockchain. The first computer to solve the puzzle earns the right to add a new block to the blockchain and receives newly created Bitcoin as a reward. These computers aren't creating money out of thin air. Their real job is to verify Bitcoin transactions and keep the network secure. Once enough transactions are verified, they're grouped together into a block. Think of it like a digital page in a giant public ledger.
As a reward for securing the network, the winning computer receives brand new Bitcoin. This is how new Bitcoin enters circulation. But here's the catch. Bitcoin can never be created forever. The total supply is permanently limited to just 21 million coins.
Because Bitcoin has a fixed supply, it becomes more scarce over time. And scarcity is one of the reasons why people believe it has value. So that's how Bitcoin is created. Not by a bank, not by a government, but by a decentralized network of computers securing the blockchain. Thanks for watching. What should I explain next? Let me know in the comments, and your idea might be my next video.